What happens in a lot of violation of probation cases that I see is somebody agrees to be on probation, they have a number of things that they're supposed to do on probation, and at some point they make a mistake. They either have a dirty urine, or they miss an appointment, or they don't complete counseling or some other condition that they're supposed to complete, and they know that the probation officer is getting ready to issue a warrant for their arrest. And because of that, they really decide to bury their head in the sand, and there's a whole snowball effect that takes place. They don't go see their probation officer, they stop doing their community service, and they end up causing more and more violations of their probation. That's really the worst thing you can do. If you suspect that your probation officer is going to violate you, it's very important to talk to an attorney right away, because an attorney may be able to call the probation officer and try to smooth things over and buy you a little bit more time to come into compliance. The other thing the attorney can do is, once the violation of probation affidavit has been filed, the judge is going to sign a warrant for your arrest, and usually it's a no bond warrant. At that point, there's a lot of things an attorney can do to help you as well. For example, if you don't have an attorney and you're eventually arrested on that warrant, you're going to sit in jail until you go to see the judge, and that could be weeks later. On the other hand, if you have an attorney, what the attorney can do with some judges and some jurisdictions is the attorney can file a motion to surrender. And that means that you walk into the courtroom with your attorney and we say, "Hello, Judge, we're here. My client has made some mistakes on probation. Judge, you've issued a no bond warrant, and we're asking you to withdraw that warrant so that the client can come back into compliance, or so that the client can come back for a violation of probation hearing." And in a lot of those cases, the clients are able to walk into the courtroom on the motion to surrender, and after it's over, they're able to walk right back out of the courtroom. So my goal, my job in a violation of probation case is to make sure, or to try to ensure, that you don't go into custody while your case is being heard. There are other violation of probation cases where if you turn yourself in on the warrant, you're going to go see the judge the next morning. And it's important to have an attorney there at first appearance who can argue to the judge why you should be released on bond. And there are other cases where maybe you're already in custody, you're in jail on a violation of probation warrant. In a lot of jurisdictions, your attorney can get you back in front of the judge within just a matter of days. The best result in violation of probation cases occur when you work with your attorney to explain how the violation occurred. And then you work with your attorney to find ways to show the court that you're trying to redeem yourself, you're trying to come into compliance with the rest of your terms, so that you can be given another chance to successfully complete your probation. The main thing I see in violation of probation cases is my clients need an attorney to drop everything and to just look at that case, because violation of probation cases move very, very quickly. From the time that affidavit of probation is filed, it's just a matter of weeks until the warrant comes out. And then once you're picked up on the warrant, you want to get back in front of the judge to have your case resolved as quickly as possible. And sometimes that whole process is only a few days or a few weeks. So if you have a violation of probation case and you'd like to contact me, I'd be happy to talk with you about the case and what your options might be.